Hello and welcome back to Unreal Engines 4 free marketplace content. Today we are looking at August 2021. I didn't get a chance to do some more videos on the July, mostly because I've just been very busy with my other channel. It's taken up a lot of my time, which is why I haven't done so much on this channel at the moment. But if you want to see more on this channel, then let me know. So what have we got in this one? We have the Advanced Female Customization Pack. Now this one, I already have it open. Why am I opening that? Gives you the ability to load up and play around with some of the features. So things like Fallout or Skyrim, where they allow you to modify your characters before, and this one, by the look of it, is just that. So it allows you to modify, it allows you to save and load in game. It is rigged, and there are an awful lot of things going on in this one. I have loaded the project up just to have a quick look, so we will do that in a little bit. But it's busy compiling shaders at the moment, as you would expect. There's probably quite a lot of shaders going on here. Next, we have the in-game level editor. Now, looking at this one, it sort of reminds me more towards a Minecraft block style placements. I mean, this one's not particularly difficult to do yourself. Doing it well, that's different, but being able to place a block just requires you to do a raycast and then spawn actor at raycast. So generally not too difficult. However, by the look of it, he's got dynamic lighting in this one. I don't know if that's standard with the plugin, but it's whether he's managed the corner joins for placements and rotations. That's the difficult one to do. But yeah, either way, this comes with modded terrain as well, so not just the geometry. I think we saw... Yeah, so that I'm assuming is maybe using marching cubes. Yeah, because you've got these here, so potentially using some form of marching cube algorithm for that. We've got lighting, foliage, and a save and load system. So yes, again, if you just want to have a world builder for your game, then I suppose this would be a good one to do. Luos's 8 elements. Now this one I did take a quick peek at. Seems to be effectively a particle system pack, but a very nicely done set. It's got 32 emitters, and yeah, effectively this would be good for any RPG or spellcasting game, or I mean, I suppose you could use those for traps as well. So yeah, it's got a lot going for it, and a lot of these are very pretty, which is very nice. So I will be utilizing this quite a bit, I think. Certainly, with some of these attacks. Don't know what this little creature is here. I think that's just for show. But yes, this one is well worth having. So I would get on to that one as well. We also have the Modulus Sci-Fi Office by Ruslan Nazirov, if I've pronounced that correctly. If I've butchered your name, I do very much apologize. But a very nice sort of futuristic office pack, which if we have a look, not so much there because that's wood effect, but here, this room, very sort of futuristic. Nice models on chairs and shelving. A lot of glass modular room style things. Do they have a pack? Yeah, so they have a full pack here. So floors, walls, glasses, bookcases, stairs, rails. I mean, you could probably build an entire building out of this. How many have we got? 200 meshes. I mean, that's a lot. that is a lot. So if you can't find what you want out of this, there's no hope for you. So yeah, this one's a good one. Again, I will probably be utilizing this one because I'm collecting sci-fi ones at the moment. Route motion guide. Now, this one, I'm not really sure how much I'll use. Effectively, you know, you can do things like your climbing animations and other animations that wouldn't be normal. So you probably want more like Assassin's Creed style animations or Uncharted style, where you have to do a lot of climbing or falling or that kind of thing. But this one seems to be geared up for the Mixamo animations. And if you don't know Mixamo, is it this one? Yeah. So Mixamo does loads of characters and animations. Some of them free as well, not all of them. I think not all of them. Are they all? Can't remember now. I'll sort that one out later. But yeah, he does lots of animations that you can utilize, and sometimes they don't blend so well. So this one's claiming that it helps blend the animations a bit better. Where does it say that? Variety tools for using mixed animations in game. Yeah, so it sort of makes use of those animations in a different way. I'm not entirely too sure how this works. It seems quite involved, but at the moment it's not really something I'm looking for. But it does come with an awful lot of stuff, and most of it is C++ classes. So I suppose if you wanted to do anything with this, it has to be a C++ project. So yeah, there is that one as well. I mean, it's a big one, and I'm keeping hold of it because I might need it in future. But at the moment, it's not on my list. And then the final one is Landscape Pro 2 auto-generated materials. So yeah, this one's more for landscaping. There's an awful lot of materials and meshes. Put my teeth back in for this one, which yeah, it looks lovely. Everybody knows, considering my last episode, that you could take something like this or these rocks, and you can build an entire world specifically out of that. So yeah, how many have we got in here? 86 meshes. I'm having a hard time saying that. My aligners are causing me problems with saying words today. So yes, there is quite a lot going on in this one. I probably have a play around with this, but usually these are quite large. And as I just downloaded the other one, which is this one, that was 600 meg for the project. It didn't take long, but yeah, I think that's I'll have to delete that one in favor of downloading this one for that. And that is pretty much it for this month. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot in this one, so I'm quite appreciative. But I mean, we can have a look. Let's just dismiss this. This is the character showcase project. So you got your blueprints, you got all your characters, got all kinds of cloth and it says cloth and then meshes, and then it's got hands. Is that just hand? Okay, so these are just gloves and things. But it's got a lot in here. It's got all its UMG, so you can see how that all comes together. And let me just see what this looks like. Actually, let's just stop this and launch in a new pie window just so we're a bit bigger. So there are a lot of slots. Let's create one. Let's see what we've got. So controls, left mouse button is select, double is customize mesh, rotate camera, rotate character, close UI windows, hide all, okay. Ah, intriguing. So, okay. Let's give it a hat. Let's have a look. No, how do I get back? I'm back there. So this is sort of a map of the body here. Can I just have one on one side? Yeah, okay. Let's have some trousers. Everybody loves a cape. So yeah, cloth animation there. Yeah. So yeah, that is interesting. And then here's all your more. So I did a double click there. So let's make them anemic green. Wow, you can go quite far with that. Ooh, whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah. So yeah, this has got a lot going for it. So wow, that's not right, is it? Short, tall. You're like a giant now. Okay. Yeah, so this is something fun to play around with and sort of have a look sort of how this works. I don't know if you get the full code for it all, but I assume that there is somewhere. It's an idle animation. I suppose is somewhere there's got to be a mesh with morph targets. Or at least I assume that there would be a mesh with more morph targets. All different types of hair. Okay, because they are separate anyway because of the way they flow in the animations. But yeah, this is a very good pack to have and have a play around with. If you want to see any more of these, let me know. I might have a look at this one because this one looks quite interesting. Actually, can I get that one now? Lewis's. Lu. Oh, Luo. Okay. If I can type, come on. Work. Oh, it's an add to project one. Okay, so I will need to create a new project for that because none of my projects I want to add this to right now. So yeah, I will probably do something on some of these other ones if anybody's actually interested. But yeah, that is all for now. Thank you very much for joining me and thank you for watching. And I will see you next time. Bye for now. Bye-bye.